I'm a really useful engine. Blue is the only colour for a really useful engine. Wake up, lazy bones. Why don't you work hard like me? Cinders and ashes, I mustn't be late. Number one always comes first. I have my own branch line. I like to pull coaches. Hello, Percy, Edward, James, Bertie, Harold, Lady, Toby, Oliver, Bill, Ben, Diesel, Mavis, Rusty, Terence, Sir Topham Hatt, Henry, Gordon, Trevor, George, Laurie, Peter, Sam, Sir Handel, Duncan. I know all about signals. I'm proud of my green paint. I can wheeze loudly. Hurry, hurry, hurry. I'm proud of my number 6. I like shunting trucks. I like to ride along on the rails. Hello, Thomas, Edward, James, Bertie, Harold, Lady, Toby, Oliver, Bill, Ben, Diesel, Mavis, Rusty, Terence, Sir Topham Hatt, Henry, Gordon, Trevor, George, Laurie, Peter, Sam, Sir Handel, Duncan. I'm the smartest engine in the shed. My blue coat is the brightest. I need my water tank filling. The fat controller depends on me. I have number 2 on my tender. I'm always ready for work. My trucks are usually naughty. Hello, Thomas, Percy, James, Bertie, Harold, Lady, Toby, Oliver, Bill, Ben, Diesel, Mavis, Rusty, Terence, Sir Topham Hatt, Henry, Gordon, Trevor, George, Laurie, Peter, Sam, Sir Handel, Duncan. I'm the pride of the line. I love my shiny red paint. The fat controller has plans for me. I'm a fine engine. What a lark. 5 is the best number to be. I'm too important to pull truss. I'm the smartest, fastest engine. Hello, Thomas, Percy, Edward, Bertie, Harold, Lady, Toby, Oliver, Bill, Ben, Diesel, Mavis, Rusty, Terence, Sir Topham Hatt, Henry, Gordon, Trevor, George, Laurie, Peter, Sam, Sir Handel, Duncan. I'm Bertie. I've come to help with your passengers. The smartest buses are red. Let's have a race. Sorry, I can't stop. I've got to work. Buses are the best way to travel. I'm always on time. I've got room for all my passengers. Hello, Thomas, Percy, Edward, James, Harold, Lady, Toby, Oliver, Bill, Ben, Diesel, Mavis, Rusty, Terence, Sir Topham Hatt, Henry, Gordon, Trevor, George, Laurie, Peter, Sam, Sir Handel, Duncan. I'm Harold. I can hover like a bird. My white paint is always clean. I'm on high alert. My help is always needed. Don't you wish you could hover? I only carry very important passengers. I take my job very seriously. I think railways are slow. Hello, Thomas, Percy, Edward, James, Bertie, Lady, Toby, Oliver, Bill, Ben, Diesel, Mavis, Rusty, Terence, Sir Topham Hatt, Henry, Gordon, Trevor, George, Laurie, Peter, Sam, Sir Handel, Duncan. I'm Lady. I'm from Muffin Mountain. I need special coal. I travel on the magic railroad. Look at my shiny gold paint. Let's ride along together. I'm a real lady. I have lots of special friends. Hello, Thomas, Percy, Edward, James, Bertie, Harold, Toby, Oliver, Bill, Ben, Diesel, Mavis, Rusty, Terence, Sir Topham Hatt, Henry, Gordon, Trevor, George, Laurie, Peter, Sam, Sir Handel, Duncan. I'm Mavis, and I work at the Quarry. Look at my shiny black paint. I help move the cattle on. Can't chat, I'm far too busy. I'm too important to have a number. My name is printed on my side. Toby is teaching me to be a really useful engine. I'm full of bright ideas. Hello, Thomas, Percy, Edward, James, Bertie, Harold, Lady, Toby, Oliver, Bill, Ben, Diesel, Rusty, Terence, Sir Topham Hatt, Henry, Gordon, Trevor, George, Laurie, Peter, Sam, Sir Handel, Duncan. I'm Peter, Sam. My name is on my tank. I've got a special funnel. I don't mind extra work. Faster, faster, faster. Number 4 is the best. I'm friends with all the engines. My bunker is full of coal. Hello, Thomas, Percy, Edward, James, Bertie, Harold, Lady, Toby, Oliver, Bill, Ben, Diesel, Mavis, Rusty, Terence, Sir Topham Hatt, Henry, Gordon, Trevor, George, Laurie, Sir Handel, Duncan. I work on a branch line. I've had a new coat of green paint. I need more coal. I must always be on time for my boss. My number 11 is painted bright yellow. I used to work on the mainland. I have a very special brake van. Hello, Thomas, Percy, Edward, James, Bertie, Harold, Lady, Toby, Bill, Ben, Diesel, Mavis, Rusty, Terence, Sir Topham Hatt, Henry, Gordon, Trevor, George, Laurie, Peter, Sam, Sir Handel, Duncan.